am 7 years old. I'm going to sing Oh Be Joyful because I can do it. Oh be joyful, oh be jubilant, put your sorrows far away. Come rejoice and sing together this happy day. Oh be joyful, oh be joyful on this day. Oh be joyful, oh be joyful, oh be joyful, put your sorrows away. I can do it!
Great, Amika.
Rolling on the ground. Children, keep together. I can do it! Play in the sun. Can brush. I'm kind of old.
Hey kids, today we're gonna learn how to brush our teeth, and it's real easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. See? I knew you could do it. You want to try that one more time with us? All right, get ready. Here we go. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wonderful! I knew you could do it. Now, just to make sure we're good and clean, let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wow! That is just amazing. Now, don't forget to rinse.
I'm gonna do it.
Awesome, Guy.
Friday. Open the present. Goodie bag. I'm Nika, 4-year-old. Monkey pies. Truck feed swing.
Well done, Nika.
I can do it. Hi, I'm Daddy. I'm 3. I'm Jenny. I'm 3.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm 28. We're gonna make macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Cheese. Butter. Butter. Milk. Pasta.
Let's grate some cheese. You want to try, Jenny?
My turn. My turn. Thank you.
You like cheese?
Yeah.
You want to have some?
Yeah.
How about
Yummy.
you? How about you, Akari? You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good stuff. Finish.
Finish.
Finish. Oh, no, you did all. Finish. Good. Put some salt in.
Yeah.
Woo. Just a little bit. Okay. Put the pasta in the pot. Alright. Good job. Jenny, you want to mix? Alright, come over here. Jenny, put the butter in. Oh, is it stuck? Good job. Cooking the flour
Yeah.
with butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Stop. We're making white sauce. Okay. Some more flour in. Good job.
My turn. My turn.
Not yet. Just wait just 1 second. Okay, stop. Okay, don't burn the white sauce, okay? Don't burn it. And then now we're gonna pour some milk. in.
Yeah.
Pour the milk slowly too, okay? Don't pour it all at once. Okay.
Yeah.
Akari, can you pour all the milk in?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Thank you. Smells good. Let's put the cheese. Jenny, can you help me put the cheese in? Oh, we gotta put more. Alright. Your turn. Let's put the cheese in. Let's put lots of cheese in. Okay, let's put the rest of the cheese in. And we're done.
Finish.
Finish! Alright, let's put this in a bowl, okay? Let's eat!
Let's eat.
Yay!
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy! I can do it!